Hello, my name is Diego. It was easy to fall in love with stories early in life, growing up with classic films like Jurassic Park, Star Wars, and Rocky, just to name a few. Not the best clips? Okay, hold on. Much better. I've realized that after all these years, these films are still popular, mainly because they're stories of people who triumph over adversity, continue to resound with us. Resound?
Hey Alexa, what's resound?
Resound is usually defined as ring or echo with sound.
More than their visual effects or even acting, classic films attract people because of their stories. As a young struggling immigrant in the US, I wondered what my own story would be and how I would make an impact on society. As I explored this idea, I quickly made the same connection in business. Brands like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Starbucks are famous for more than their products. Each of these brands has a creation story that is echoed in their beliefs. Lastly, I made that same connection with some of the most influential artists of our time who have made us fall in love with their stories as they rise to mainstream recognition. Story and product go hand in hand because there is a story behind every brand. I now help businesses and individuals as I navigate what it means to tell their story and reach the masses.
Join me on this journey to learn the power of storytelling to drive success, growth, and influence. Thanks for visiting the channel. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.